Welcome back to another Mullet Man episode. Back with Hayden Grimm himself. Y'all haven't seen him in a hot minute.
It's been a while.
But we are back on our frog hunt. We haven't done that. Did we? We did frog hunt last year, did we? I don't think we did.
I don't think we did. I think we missed last year. COVID.
No, that's you. That's you. Hayden had him a boy. Leave him a comment. Congrats. We actually just had his one year birthday party last weekend. But we're gonna do some frog gigging. And you ever get really excited to go do something, you forget everything? Well, I did that. So I got the 22, I got a gig, I got a bucket, and I didn't bring lights. So Hayden has one little light, and we're gonna hope that it's good enough and last all night. But we got like 3 or 4 ponds to hit, so we're gonna get after it. Hopefully find some big old juicy bullfrogs, because it is that time of the year to start hearing them croak. Hayden said we're starting the night out with the gig, so there's been a giant that lived under this dock. Holy cow, it's low, dude. I don't know that I've seen it this low.
It's been a long time.
Well, the water line used to be up to the bottom of the dock, and there was a giant living under there, and we could never get him.
Jake this year, I guess with it being low.
Ooh,
Pretty snaky.
we may have some trouble.
No.
Well, change of plans. The grass is too tall, and we see a bunch of frogs out in the middle of another pond. We went and just checked. So, hooking up to the Bubba boat, otherwise known as Boats and Rows. If you've ever watched Step Brothers, you can figure out that name for yourself. But gotta make sure the plug's in. Me and Hayden have killed a many of frogs in this boat right here. All right, we got 2 plug options. You got paddles, Hayden?
I think there's one right here.
All right, let's hope that plug holds. 1 paddle.
That's all we need.
All we need is a push pole, really.
Yeah. What is that?
Push pole.
Push pole. Pretty flimsy. Yeah.
Just bring that green one. That one looks a lot more stiff. Yeah. Alright, we're ready now. Alright. Everything loaded?
You got the camera?
Yep, you can get in, I'll push you off.
Yeah, I got
these boots on.
It's heavy.
Hold on. You far enough or no? Got him! Freaking stoned him. Yes, sir.
One, baby.
Frog down. Put him in the cooler. Oh my gosh. Well, there goes our frog.
I think we did the same thing last year.
Yeah, I was just about to say that too. I didn't want to. Hey, shine right here. I thought that was him. Oh my gosh. Dude, he was bigger than my hand. I'm not kidding you.
Monster. I think we got one more.
He'll come back up.
Right there.
I'm not kidding you. I had my whole hand around him. Like, not around him.
Little big. Is that a snake?
Yeah, right here, but that's a big
that's
frog.
a big boy.
Water moccasin. Gosh dang, dude, he's huge. bullfrog, baby. Yeah. Dude, that other one was bigger. I promise.
so?
Oh yeah, dude. I promise you.
That's a good one though.
Look at all the leeches.
Yeah.
All right, Hayden's up. Redemption. So we got to go back and find that big one that we just missed. That was.
Little bitty guy.
That's a big one. Ooh, get that 22.
The gig.
Here, take off. Do it with two hands. Oh, you better get him. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Biggin.
Another big one.
Dude, that's a stud.
These are freaking monsters this year.
Alright, go quick.
Got that old jumbo. Go quick.
Got him. Here we go.
Number 2.
Number 2. Gotta find a few more. Hey, but those big frogs like that, they make a meal.
Heck yeah.
We eat the whole body. So if you're wondering why Hayden didn't just grab that one, number 1, it was too shallow, he couldn't reach it. Number 2, it was about to go under. So you gotta make your move with whatever weapon you got, whether it's your hand, a gun, or a gig. All right, guys. So we've missed a few, but we have done catching them by your hand, getting them with a gig. Now we're gonna do it with a gun. So 3 ways to bullfrog hunt, and most people have hands. A lot of people have gigs, and more people have guns. So we got a big one right here. Look at that sucker, he's huge. Let's get right on top of him. You want him?
Got him.
Biggin, another biggin. We got a meal, boys. We're not gonna take too many out of our ponds because we like to do this every now and then. We don't like to take them all, so we got enough for me and Hayden to both take home a meal. 3 giant bullfrogs. So we're gonna go over to the dock and show y'all how to clean one now, and then we're gonna come up with some kind of good dish to cook them. How to clean a frog. Take you a frog and take you a sharp knife, because all I got is a dull one. But you want to take your legs and you want to cut around those legs. Second step is to go get a sharp knife and some pliers if you have them. They barely close, dog. Barely close. Alright, so you want to finish your cut. Oh yeah, Hayden even sharpened it up for me. Make your cut all the way around. Finish your bad cuts from before, just like that. And then you want to hold them like that. Take your pliers, if you can open them, and grab that skin. And pull his pants off. Then you get a good grip. These mosquitoes here in Texas are already starting. Just grab that skin It's a lot easier with pliers, but you can do it by hand too. Pull it down. So now his pants are off. Now you want to take his coat suit off. Alright, so now I got a fully skinned bullfrog. You're gonna come in here, you're gonna cut these feet off, because that freaks people out. If they don't have that on there, they don't know what they're eating. Cut those feet off. You're gonna come up here with your dull knife, cut down. You're gonna pop these back legs off, just like that. There's your frog legs. Now you're gonna take it and gut it. Scrape all that out into the pond. So now there's your front side of the frog, and we're going to cut this head off, because that also freaks people out. So there's your head. So now you're left with the whole body. You can cut that skin off. You're not going to be eating that. Not skin, but it's just like fatty. I guess it is skin. So now you're left with frog torso, front legs, and your back legs. Don't forget to cut those front feet off. It's one of those things that freaks people out. And there's not enough meat on them to keep them anyway. And that right there is how you clean up a big old bullfrog. So I'm gonna clean the rest of these up, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alright guys, little late night snack. I'm gonna do me a set of legs and a body. We're gonna take some of this Louisiana fish fry batter, put a little bit into a gallon baggie. I got them all cleaned up and dried off. We're just gonna throw these in here and shake them up. Got some Texana brands cottonseed oil cooking up. And it's as simple as that. Batter them up, throw them in hot grease, and enjoy. Oil is hot, drop them in, and let them do their thing. Alright guys, nice golden brown, crispy. Let these cool off for a minute or two, and then we'll give you a taste test. Alright guys, 1 out of 10 on some fresh, it's about as fresh as you get, fried frog legs. See how white and flaky and tender this meat is. It's undescribable how a frog tastes. Hot, but it tastes like a mix between a crappie fillet and a chicken leg. They are so delicious. And put some ketchup on there, they're even better. Little frog leg drumstick. About a 9.2 out of 10.
fried frog legs. Can't beat it.
I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I want to let you know that these are some new hats we got up on the merch site, mulletman.net. Y'all go get one. We only made a couple of them, so y'all go swipe one of these hats before they're gone. And we're also doing a giveaway very soon for the bait company here in the next week or so y'all stay tuned for that. But hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and remember, eat good.